to connect Bluetooth headphones to Android phone. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open settings on your device. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on Bluetooth and device connection. If you don't find Bluetooth and device connection, simply click on search button on top right and search Bluetooth. Then click on Bluetooth, turn on your Bluetooth and then click on the headphone you want to connect. You'll find connect option. Simply click on connect option. After you've clicked on connect option, your Bluetooth headphones will be connected if it is turned on. And after that, you can simply play anything on your headphones. This is how to connect Bluetooth headphones to Android phone. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I'm Sophia signing off. Until next time.